Okay, so we got this situation to handle. You know that we don't have any direct formula for box function, but you know that box function behaves differently in different rooms, correct? So let's focus on box of x cube. Okay, so let's break down this function. Now you know that you are starting from -1 and ending at +1. So just look at this. Suppose x belongs to -1 to 0. So if you'll take any number in between this room and you will put mod on, means you will find out the cube and then you will apply box on it, you will have output as -1. I'm especially talking about box of x cube. Suppose that you got minus of 1 by 2. So if you will do the cube, you will have what? 1 by 8, that too in negative, and then you have to put the box on it. You will be having -1. So that's why I wrote -1. Okay? Then from 0 to 1, if you will take any number, from 0 to 1, if you'll take any number, you will have output as 0. Suppose it is 1 by 2, so your cube will be what? 1 by 8, and then you will be apply the box, so it will become 0. So you got this situation. Now let's rewrite the question. So from -1 to 0, the box will behave as -1. So x square e power -1 dx plus integration from 0 to 1 x square e power 0 dx. Now let's simplify things. You know that the variable function is x. So everything except x will become constant. So can I take e power -1 common? It's a constant, no? So I can take that thing outside. So we have -1, 0, x square dx plus 0, 1, x square dx. Correct? Now, let's do the integration. You know that x square is, integration of x square is x cube by 3. Now put upper limit, put lower limit, plus x cube by 3, and then put upper limit, put lower limit. If you will put upper limit, the whole thing will become 0. Minus, put lower limit, so it will become minus of 1 by 3. So minus of -1 by 3 is 1 by 3. So we got done. Now if you'll put this 1 upper limit, so it will become 1 by 3. If you'll put 0, it will become 0. So this thing is done. Now can I write this thing as, we got 1 by 3 times e plus 1 by 3. Let's take the LCM, 3e, and we will be left with e plus 1. Therefore the integration from -1 to 1 of x square into e power box x cube is this, e plus 1 by 3e. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.